Hello, good day. My name is Dylan Ward, and in this video we're going to be dealing with securing remote desktop for Windows XP. Now the purpose of this is because when dealing with remote desktop, outside users have easier access to your computer. So to begin, you want to go to your Windows XP, right click my computer and go properties, and under the remote tab you're going to see allow users to connect remotely to this computer. You're going to check that, and here you're going to select the remote users. Here just click add. Now when the option comes up, you want to make sure the location is correct. Select advanced, find now, and select the users you want to give access. So I'll just select these here. It's okay again. Now administrators already have access, so technically nothing was really done there. Now the fix for this, you want to go to your run command and type in %system root %system32/secpol.msc and hit enter. Now just wait on the option to come up. Now when the option comes up, you're gonna go to local policies. Under user rights assignments, you'll see allow logon through terminal services. Now to fix this, you notice that you have administrators with access and remote desktop users with access. So to prevent access to the administrators, just hit remove and OK. Now if you want an admin to have access, you can go back to the previous screen we were on and individually add those users that you want to provide access to. Now there are many brute force attacks that can be used against your system, and although they cannot be stopped, they can be minimized, the effects. So you want to go to the account policies, account lockout policy, and you'll see some different options here. Now basically the account lockout threshold deals with the number of failed logon attempts before the user is locked out. So you can set that to how many attempts you want before the user is actually locked out. Now the duration deals with how long they'll be locked out for. So you could set this to how many minutes you want, and the reset account lockout counter. Now basically this is basically the same as the account lockout duration. Now in the event that an account is locked, to unlock it you want to go to performance and maintenance, admin tools, and head to computer management. Now under this option you want to go to local users and groups, users, and you just double click on whichever user it is, and this would be checked if the account is disabled. So what you want to do is uncheck it and just hit OK, and this would unlock the account. Now by default, Windows XP has minimum or no encryption at all on remote desktop connections. So to fix this, you want to go to your run command, and here you're going to enter %system root %system32/, and here you're going to put gpedit.msc and hit OK. Now under here, what you want to do is go to your computer configuration, administrative tools, Windows components, and you're gonna select terminal services. From here you'll see encryption and security, so you can double click on that, and here we have the set client connection encryption level. Now at default it becomes not configured, so you're gonna enable it, and you're gonna set the encryption level to whatever you want it to be. So I'll just choose high level here and hit OK. Now you have another option, always prompt client for password upon connection. As you can see, it says not configured, and that is not a good thing. What you want to do is enable that to ensure that users, the passwords are not stored, or they will always have the passwords in memory and not forget it. So you click OK. Now something else you could do is change the TCP port, and to do this you want to go to your run command again, type reg edit and hit OK. Now from here, what you want to do is go to your hotkey local machine, under the system tab, control current set, you want to go to control, and from here you're gonna go till you see terminal server. You're gonna select the terminal server and go down to Win Stations and select RDP TCP. From here you're gonna look for your port number, and as you can see it here, so you can double click and change the port number to whatever you want to change to, and you just hit OK, but I'll leave that at default for now. Also, if you want, you can whitelist IP addresses, and to do that you want to go to your control panel, security center, Windows firewall, and here go to exceptions. On the remote desktop you're going to hit edit. Now from here you're going to see selected port. Now I did not change the port from the default, so it's going to be set to 3389. If you change the port, you're going to have to select the correct port to associate it with the service to change the scope. Now to change the scope, what you want to do is go down to change scope, and here you can select a range of IPs that would be unblocked. Now that's basically the end of this tutorial. Hope it was informative, and thanks for watching.